In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a waitlist for your event on Wix. This is a handy feature for business owners who anticipate a lot of interest in their events and want to manage guest registrations efficiently. So let's dive right in and walk you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to head over to the Wix homepage. Ensure you're logged into your account and navigate to the dashboard of the website where you'd like to set up the waitlist. Once you're there, it's crucial to make sure you've added the Events app to your site. The Events app is a tool specifically designed for managing events, and it's what we'll use to create your waitlist. Next, click on the Events section within the app market. This section will allow you to manage all functionalities related to the events you plan to host. Once you're in, the next thing you want to do is go ahead and create a new event. When you're ready to set up the type of event, be sure to select the RSVP event option. The RSVP function is crucial for keeping track of who is attending and will allow us to implement a waitlist for additional registrants. After selecting the event type, you can proceed to input all necessary event details. This includes the event name, description, date, time, and venue. Fill these details out as comprehensively as possible to provide potential attendees with all the information they need to sign up, and ensure your event is appealing and informative. When you're satisfied with the event details, the next step is to publish your event. Publishing it makes it live for your audience, allowing them to view all the information and begin interacting with the event page. Now, let's bring in the waitlist feature. Navigate to the settings of your published event. Under the registration settings, find and click Edit. Here, you'll have the option to define how many guests you plan to allow into your event. Select limited guests and specify the exact number of guests you want to accommodate. This feature helps you manage crowd control and assures that the event won't exceed its intended capacity. Once you've set the guest limit, ensure that when the maximum capacity is reached, you select the option to add to guests waitlist. This setting will automatically place additional registrations onto a waitlist rather than turning them away, so you won't miss potential attendees if spots open up. Finally, don't forget to click Save to ensure all your settings are correctly applied. With that done, your event waitlist is now in place, and you can manage your event's registration more smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you make the most of your next event on Wix.